If Fuzzy Frank shows up today, I plan to ask him for the time. Cheap trick, his response should be to me. Time? What time? Whose time? In my dream. The Big Bang. People talk about it all the time. What is it? Did it really happen? What happened before time began? We can now see farther and peer deeper into our world than in any other time in human history. Yet science is on the verge of an impasse. With each new discovery, like dark matter and dark energy, we try to fill the gaps in our understanding of the universe. But unfortunately, this is no longer working out for us mathematically. Either we change the way we understand gravity and time, or we may have to throw out all we know about our physical reality. So the new book that I'm reading right now is called Time One by Colin Gillespie. Mr. Gillespie attempts to answer these most basic questions. How did time begin? What happened before the Big Bang? His approach to the truth is almost universal in nature, and he leaves no stone unturned in his epic quest for understanding. 17 mathematical equations that physicists use to define and understand our physical world. The more we understand, the better we are able to chop and split our reality down into tinier and tinier pieces, and there seems to be no end to it. The general consensus now, despite our bewilderment, is that all of our known reality is comprised of something intangible, in fact, invisible even. When we get down to these tiny little pieces that make up us and everything around us, we find that the physical rules of our understanding begin to break down. In other words, there are no rules. This begs the question, if we are made of atoms, and atoms are made of mostly empty space, then what really are we made of? What is quantum physics trying to tell us? That there are two worlds in which we exist. The one which we see around us, the one that seems real, and the one that is real. The hidden reality, which exists beyond our vision, too small for us to comprehend. The real reality, which has no rules and is full of infinite possibility, which of course means that our reality is actually illusory, infinite, and quite malleable in nature. Understandably, this leaves most of the world's greatest scientific minds at a loss. I don't think anybody knows what happened before time began.